Hi everyone. We all want a brighter future, right? A future filled with purpose, happiness, and success. But how do we get there? It starts with building strong character. Character is like the foundation of a house. It provides stability, strength, and resilience. It's about who we are at our core, the values we hold dear, and how we treat ourselves and others. In a world that often seems focused on instant gratification and superficiality, it's easy to overlook the importance of character, but trust me, it matters. It matters more than we realize. Because when we invest in our character, we invest in our future. So, let's embark on this journey of self-discovery and growth together. Let's explore the essential traits and skills that will empower us to create a brighter future, not just for ourselves, but for everyone around us.
I'll never forget this one time. I was just starting out in comedy. I was performing at a small club. It wasn't the easiest crowd, but then I saw this woman in the front row. She was laughing so hard, tears were streaming down her face. After the show, she came up to me. She told me that her husband had recently passed away. She said that my act was the first time she had laughed since his death. Her words touched me deeply. It wasn't just about the laughter, it was about the power of connection, of bringing joy to someone in need. That experience taught me a valuable lesson about the impact of character. It's not just about being a good person. It's about using our strengths and values to make a positive difference in the world.
Honesty. It's a simple word, but it carries so much weight. It's about being truthful to ourselves and others, even when it's difficult. Think about it. Would you rather have a friend who tells you the truth, even if it hurts a little, or a friend who tells you what you want to hear? Honesty builds trust, and trust is the foundation of any strong relationship, whether it's with a friend, a family member, or a colleague. When we're honest, we create an environment of openness and authenticity. People know they can count on us to be straight with them. Now, I know it's not always easy to be honest. Sometimes we're afraid of hurting someone's feelings or facing the consequences of our actions. But remember, honesty is always the best policy. It might be tough in the moment, but it will pay off in the long run.
Section 4. Responsibility. Taking ownership of our actions and choices. Responsibility. It's a big word, right? It means taking ownership of our actions, our choices, and our lives. It means being accountable for the decisions we make and the impact they have on ourselves and others. Sometimes we make mistakes. We all do. It's part of being human. But it's what we do after we make those mistakes that matters. Do we blame others? Or do we take responsibility for our actions and learn from them? Think of it this way. Every choice we make is like a seed we plant. Some choices lead to positive outcomes like beautiful flowers. Others might lead to weeds. The key is to learn from our mistakes and make better choices in the future.
Section 5, Mastering Time. The key to productivity and balance. Time. It's something we all have the same amount of, yet it often feels like there's never enough. Between work, family, friends, and all the other things we juggle, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But managing our time effectively is crucial for both our personal and professional success. Think of time as a precious resource. We can choose to waste it, or we can choose to invest it wisely. By prioritizing our tasks, setting realistic goals, and learning to say no to distractions, we can accomplish more and feel more in control of our lives. Now, I'm not saying we have to be robots and schedule every minute of our day. It's important to have downtime too. But by being mindful of how we spend our time, we can create a healthier balance and achieve our goals.
Section 6. The art of communication, building bridges, and fostering understanding. Communication. It's more than just talking. It's about truly listening, understanding, and connecting with others. It's about expressing ourselves clearly, respectfully, and with empathy. Think about a time when you felt truly heard and understood by someone. Didn't that feel good? When we communicate effectively, we build stronger relationships, resolve conflicts peacefully, and create a more harmonious environment. Now, communication isn't always easy. We all come from different backgrounds, have different perspectives, and communicate in different ways. But by being patient, practicing active listening, and choosing our words thoughtfully, we can bridge those gaps and foster deeper understanding.